Hello traders. Having a look at Bitcoin and some interesting things happening in Bitcoin. I'm looking at the Bitcoin US dollar chart here, 4-hour chart, and I think let's just start with the daily just to get a bigger picture here. So if I put in a level there, so we have a level here which has been touched a couple of times, and I would say that's probably the only level that we've really got. We may be able to utilize that as a level somewhere along the line, but right now that's the level where we are, which we haven't actually come back down to. Okay, and if we look at the 4-hour, some really interesting things happening here. So we can see that level was respected there. We can add a 4-hour level here, which we are testing at the moment. But for me, the interesting part is the following. So we have diversions here, okay, on the awesome oscillator, and just put this line in so you can see what I'm talking about. So price is making new lows with on the oscillator we're coming up. We've also broken up above the zero line on the oscillator. So there's a pretty bullish signal. And I think for me, what I'm looking for is a pullback off the weekly pivot point, which is this black dotted line here, the weekly pivot. If we can get a pullback off here, and I think let's get a nice Fibonacci pullback that we'd be looking for. And I'll put a block in here so we can see what I'm saying, somewhere around there. I'll delete that and zoom in. So it looks like we're going to have a bit of a rejection off the weekly pivot, and the daily pivot hasn't been tagged today yet. So I would assume that we have some kind of a pullback. This block represents the 50 and 61.8 Fibonacci pullback. So I would think we have a pullback back to the alligator here. Alligator has returned and pointing to the upside quite nicely at the moment. So that is looking pretty interesting for me anyway, to get in for a long. And there's another level that I would watch out for is this pin bar here. We've broken back, so we may only come back to test this break before moving more to the upside. Let's just drill down to the 1-hour and have a look here. Okay, so even more interesting, you see the 200 EMA on the hour is holding up price at the moment. But at the same time, I just want to delete that. Let's just zoom in here because we have a little bit of a flag on the hour forming here. So we may not even get down to this level or this level. Looking very interesting for Bitcoin anyway. Just head back to the daily the last time. So any long that does happen will probably get held up somewhere in this area on the monthly pivot, 200 EMA, and on the top of the alligator. So the real question will that be a bounce down, or are we going to actually start finding our feet at the moment? I just want to do one last thing here. So we do have a channel over there, but a pretty solid downward bearish channel. So yeah, I suppose I'll be looking for a pullback, and anything in this area here. Have a look at the 4-hour. Yeah, so anything in that area, I'll be watching very closely to see if I can get some bullish action for a long. Anyway, that's Bitcoin. Hope that helps. Catch you later.